Hi guys, it's Steph here and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will do a makeup challenge. All the makeup that I will use in this video are chosen by my boyfriend. Let's get started. To prep and hydrate my face I will use two products. He chosen for me eye cream from Bevola. It's my first time using it. And my favorite product, Clinique Moisture Surge. And because today my skin is not my best friend, I need to do a bit of color correcting using this palette. And also I will use a peachy shade to cancel my dark circles. Because the foundation that I will use is not so full coverage, I need to blend the green and the peachy shade better so it won't show through the foundation. The foundation that I will use in this video is by L'Oreal. It's 24-hour fresh wear in 140. For concealer, I will use Maybelline Superstay Foundation Stick in True Ivory. For blush, I will use a cream to powder from Sleek in Pink Pearl. To powder my face, I will use Cinecitta Makeup Loose Powder.
There's nothing in this world I've ever needed more from you. I've been golden in this before.
To contour my face, I will use a palette from Revolution Pro in shade Cool. And I will use the to contour my cheekbones and my nose and lips. For my eyebrows, I will use two products. NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in Blonde and Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. And to make it soft and natural, I will use a Fix Plus from MAC and a Nastel brush, and I will just spray the brush. As the eyeshadow primer, I will use today the one from Oriflame.
I've been golden in this before. You've been on my mind.
these two palettes from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, Armed and Gorgeous and Dark Magic. And more exactly, I will use shade Coin, and from the Dark Magic, I will use Busted. And to make sure that eyeshadow is blended, I will put firstly a neutral shade in my crease.
If you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home.
And to make sure that the gold shade will pop, I will cut the crease.
My heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call.
I will do the same steps to the other eye and I will be right back. So, the other eye is done. For my lips, I will use NYX Sweat in Los Angeles and L'Oreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in box of chocolates. I will quickly do a wing liner of camera. Now that the liner is done, I will apply the mascara. For mascara, I will use Unlimited from L'Oreal.
Sometimes I felt like I might need someone to remind me who still believed it didn't matter, you were far from home.
For highlighter, I will use Triple Baked Highlighter from Revolution.
So if you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you who still believes, don't forget I'm not.
And my makeup is done. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!
Heart feels it too.